Do you want to add a soundboard to your stream? I'm going to show you how in 1 minute. Go to this website, click go to download, click the correct installer for you, restart your OBS if you have it open. In OBS, click in docs, and then click the soundboard. Once you have your soundboard dock open, all you have to do is hit this plus symbol to add a sound. Click browse and find the file that you want to add as a sound bite, name your sound, and hit OK. And now you have a brand new soundboard. You're probably going to want to add a hotkey to your soundbite. So to do that, all you have to do is click File, Settings, go down to Hotkeys, and scroll down inside the first section all the way to the bottom, and you will see Soundboard and then the name of your sound. Add the hotkey that you want to your sound, and you're good to go.